What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Vino checking in back for another video. On today, I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to get a muffler delete and a resonator delete. So you guys stay tuned. Alright, you guys, your boy is back from getting the muffler delete, and I'm gonna show you guys the little sound clips that I got from it. It sound good, you know what I'm saying? I got a 4-cylinder, so you know what I'm saying, it's gonna sound as best as it can get. So I'm gonna show you guys the sound clip, so stay tuned. Got the goods. Just left Harbor Freight. Got the goods. Let's head back to the crib so we can get it started. YouTube, man, bro, I just did the dumbest stuff. I done left the strobe lights in my house. So I done got all the way to the location just to realize that the strobe lights not even with me. So I gotta go back to the house, get the strobe lights, then come back here, then put them on. I took off the headlight and everything, then realized, dang, I don't even got the lights. So I'm headed right now to go get the lights. So stay tuned. I done pulled up to Nissan, bro. I got a Q50 right here. Son, what am I doing? I don't need no juke, bro. Chrysler 300. Probably a C. You got a V6 Camaro up here. But they ain't got too much though. This joint always be empty. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all guys in a minute. Had to come up here and get a nut for the tail light because I accidentally lost it, joint. But stay tuned.